Well, you might be hearing a whole lot of noise coming from the airfield. That's because the 148th Fighter Wing started their night flying training. KBGR6's Kendall Jarbo shares what the pilots are learning and why this training is so crucial.
The 148th Fighter Wing needs to respond, no matter the time of day or night.
We do night flying because all of our operations and mission require us to respond 24/7. Obviously, half of that time is at nighttime.
For the next 2 weeks, F-16s will be taking off and landing at night while the pilots receive important training.
When we night fly, there's obviously skills, specific skills, and that's how to deal with having less visual cues. And we have specific equipment that helps us out with this.
Specific skills, like using night vision goggles, flying with less light in the cockpit, and counteracting spatial disorientation. They're also taking extra precautions to keep pilots healthy.
Especially with the COVID going on as well, we do triple redundancy in the cleaning process. So we clean them before the flight, after the flight, and then even if a pilot's just going in for a quick fitting, we clean them up as well again.
Most of the 148's night training happens in the winter, but pilots are thankful for the warm start.
It's a great opportunity. We try to take advantage as best we can. The pilots tonight will really appreciate it because it's a beautiful night.
A beautiful night, if a little noisy on the ground.
Very cool. People in the Northland and the UP could hear the jets. All planes are scheduled to land by 11:15 each night. The 148's night flights end next Friday.